Log in using your assigned parent credentials. You'll default to the demographic or registration page where you'll be able to view your students' information, name, their assigned building, grade level, homeroom teacher for elementary if it has been announced. You'll also see transportation routes. This is updated nightly, students' mailing and physical address, and your information at the bottom. You will see an edit button on the right. That allows you to edit your email and your phone number. You'll be able to edit the phone number for the student. You can see the student's email. That is generated by the district. We ask that you not change that, but you can edit your information. Moving to the attendance tab. This allows parents to view any attendance that has been recorded at the school building. You can navigate with the arrows. Any date that has color code has an attendance recorded on that date. There is a legend below the calendar, but you can hover on the date and it will give you a small pop-up of the reason entered at the building. Moving to the class tab. For secondary students, this is going to show their schedule for the year. Elementary will not have their schedule here. They'll view that on the main registration page under homeroom. Moving to the grades tab. For secondary students, you will see 3 additional tabs. Report card. This will show once grades have been finalized at semester end, semester 1 or 2. You'll also see a transcript tab. Transcript tab will only appear if the student has earned a high school credit. You'll also see a test score tab that's going to show you any district assessment or state assessment the student has taken while attending Everett Public Schools. Elementary students will only have a test score tab. They will not have a report card or a transcript tab. Moving to support services. On this tab, you'll be able to view discipline that's been recorded on the student. You will also have a link to their individual education plan. We're going to move up to the top right corner. Next to the student's name is a drop-down to navigate to your additional students that have been linked to your username. In this example, I'm going to go to a high school student so we can show you the student support tab that has discipline and an IEP. Here you can open, parents have the ability to open the discipline to view the details. It's going to show your current year or all discipline. You'll also see at the very top there's the tab to navigate to the IEP, and you can click to view the IEP. I also want to mention on the grades tab for high school only, you'll see an additional IPR tab. That's your interim progress report. This is only available for high school students. And then again, they have the report card, transcript, and test score tab. Moving up to the right corner, you'll see enroll new student. This will put you to a link to the portal for enrolling a new student. You can also apply for a school transfer here. As the year goes on, you may see additional links to a student update form or a general update form.